Hello everyone, welcome to the Algorithmic Forge. So in today's video we are going to learn about the moving averages or MA lines. So before diving into this, I'll just explain you, like, we have made a Python library name as Quant Research, where you can find various technical indicators and also various visualization technique which may help you to simplify your visualization with less code base and more beneficial productive results. Let me show you what you can achieve. Like, to visualize the MACD indicators or to get the MACD data, you can directly write this code snippet using our library Quant Research, and yeah, you can plot it in just 3 lines of code. So I won't be explaining this more in detail. You can find the documentation of this in the description and also in our YouTube description over here. Okay, so let's check what are moving averages. So basically moving averages are simple but yet powerful tools that trader can use to help visualize the price has been where and the price might where it will move the next. Like, basically to check the price of any stock, how it will move or deviate. So let's see how many types of MA lines are. So one of the most basic is SMA. It stands for simple moving average. It is like simple arithmetic average of the price over last n periods, and with every price getting equally weighted. So the line you can see here is your SMA line, and this is a stock value. It is going at bottom, it is falling down, and we can see the stock is falling based on this line. This line is showing us that now the stock is moving downwards, the trend is downwards. But the problem here was, like, there was very lag, like this much lag is present. Like, how one can get like more in detail, like how many difference is there, if it is going down, then how much down. For that, they have introduced a new line called EMA. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. We have used this in the MACD indicators, like I have also mentioned here. For short term and intraday, it is extremely powerful indicator. Yeah, as you can see, in comparison of this both, EMA stands out the better as the lag has been reduced. But yeah, yet there are also some points where the lags are more, like here. To reduce those lag, we have more two options. One is DEMA. It is double exponential average. Like, we do double 2 times exponential to this EMA. This is the formula out here. We will be using this formula to find out here, and yeah, what we get is this. This is most accurate, and if you need more accuracy than this moving average, then you may go to TEMA. It is highly sensitive. This is also highly sensitive. While trading options in 1 minute or 1 second time frame, they both are perfect. You can go for it. So yeah, this is TEMA. This is triple exponential, while you can do another exponential to the DEMA that you can think of, and this is the formula. So yeah, what we do, we'll find the SMA, EMA and DMA through code, and we'll implement the TEMA with our Quant Research library. So let's start coding to it. So I have to first restart or run everything such that I have my data frame. Now today we are using the Hyundai stock. Yeah, every day I use something new. So today we are using Hyundai stocks. So let's make SMA first. So SMA is quite very simple. Like, let's create a function. Well, our main input would be your price. Then we'll take a period. I'll set it as 9. You can anytime change or update it. Now we'll directly return price dot rolling window is equal to period dot mean. That's it. This is only the code you need for SMA. Now let's dive for EMA. So here too we only need the price, then the period. I'll set it as 9, and here will straightly return EWN. We'll be using EWN. I hope you have watched my MACD video where you know what is EWM. Basically EWM is exponential weighting moving, and then we'll do the average. So here span would be period. I'll set adjust as false, and at last we'll do a mean. Yeah, EMA is done. Now we'll do the DEMA, means DEMA. So def DEMA, then I'll call price, period I'll set as 9, same. So before diving into DEMA, the main thing we'll find the EMA, and then we'll find the EMA of EMA. So what will be your EMA? Same, it is your EMA only. So just copy this function as it is. Okay, then EMA 1, it will be your EMA, then EWM, then span is equal to period, adjust is false, then mean. Now you are good to go. Now what we'll do, we just check the formula. So this DEMA formula says 2 EMA of n minus EMA of EMA. So we have found the EMA of EMA. Now we have to just integrate this formula and we have to return it all. So DEMA will be 2 EMA minus EMA 1. It is EMA of EMA, and will return the DEMA. It is done. So now it's time for TEMA. So as I said to you, I'll be using Quant Research library. So we'll do import Quant Research, not import, we have to import a function from it. So we'll use from Quant Research import TEMA. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, only we have to write this. Now let's scrap complete. Let's find the data of EMA, SMA and TEMA. So as we have data, I'll just found the SMA first, data, then EMA data, then DEMA, and at last data, and then TEMA. Okay, so now just call the functions like first SMA, then I'll paste the adjusted close. I'll set the period as 9 only, then EMA, same, I'll just pass the adjusted close. Here to DEMA, data, adjusted close, and here we'll call TEMA. Here too we'll enter the adjusted close, and yeah, we are good to go. Now I'll just write the data here. Okay, yep, we have done. So we have every data with us. Okay, so just make a basic visualization first, just to check whether everything is there. I'll just copy this and yeah. So these are all exponential averages and all the averages out there, plus we'll also plot the adjusted close. Yeah, so we can see completely now. But if you want a complete analysis, also our Quant Research library provides you, like from Quant Research import plotting moving averages. Okay, now in this moving averages, see what all parameters we required. We required SMA, EMA, DMA, TMA. Okay, so let's pass that all data, SMA, data, EMA, data, it's DEMA, and at last data, TEMA. Okay, we have missed with some arguments, like okay, yes, we haven't added the adjusted close, that's why it went error. Now it won't give. Yeah, so yeah, wait, I'll just short the data such that we can check it correctly. Like for 5th, I'll just take from 10th month. I'll rerun all the files so we have the correct setup. Okay, so basically I hope it is clearly visible to all. So this blackish line is your price, okay, of the Hyundai stock, okay, and this red one is your TEMA line. So now just observe how close the TEMA is with the adjusted close value, and the green one is your DEMA, and the orange one is your EMA. The blue is from here to here because it is of 9 periods only. So this from here it is 9 periods, and the rest of lines give from start because they are doing exponential. Okay, they are using that factor. Okay, so I'll suggest, if you want more such plotting and all, you use Quant Research library. Else if you want code for TEMA also, comment down below. I'll explain the code also for it. Basically in place of DEMA, where we used this formula, we have to use this formula in TEMA. We have to again find the exponential 3 and we have to just implement this and just return the parameter. Nothing complicated in this. So I hope you have understand the moving averages. Like you can check for this stock. Okay, this is a moving average where this line is your EMA, this one is your TMA, this one is your DEMA line, and this was your MI. So you can just check like how lines are going. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the video, you have understood the video. Hope you are connecting the dots. Every indicator videos we are making now, we have some more videos of technical indicators, then we'll dive down into the machine learning in quantitative research and the trading strategies. So till then, take care and bye bye. Yeah, and yes, don't forget to use Quant Research library. We have added many efforts into it, like building it, and if you use this library, it will be like we will be very happy if you use this. So thanks for watching till end.